The sound of life.
This is the sound of life. When your song is ended and you play your last note, will you hear my music in the lyrics that I wrote? When your play is over and you say your last line, will you take your bow or realize you are still in mine? When your eyes finally close and your fear rips you apart, will you see the messages I sent you felt with your heart? When you leave Mother Earth and the love here is left to roam, can you say you did all you could to make Earth feel like home? My child, my angel, life on Earth is short and can seem unfair. I only crucified one son to prove my love for you, that I care. The blatant injustices of life are there to reveal the path of love. See the miracle of your birth. Every step is a step to heaven above. Go deep on that one. When you awake to the truth of faith and the misery of your family's strife, teach the children of the divine origin and how we are all connected in life. My love is forgiven on earth, never ending.
Oh.
And I need no name. All I want is for my children, my angels, to know they are all the same. Sound of life.